My name is Craig Call, and I am a member of the charter class, 1976 graduation. After graduating law school, I didn't go right into the practice of law, but I was involved. I'm a passionate historic preservationist, so I was involved in restoring buildings in downtown Provo and trying to preserve landmark structures. One of the things that's really critical, really impressive to me, is how one guy can make a big difference. Jesse Knight didn't even encounter wealth until he was in his 50s. But his building on the corner of University Avenue and Center Street, the big red building with the clock tower, that's the Knight block. And to the east is the Knight Mansion, now the Berg Mortuary. 5 blocks north is the lower campus, and Jesse Knight personally saw to the construction of at least 3 of the 4 buildings that were there. So it was just fun to come in his footsteps and help preserve some of that and to get a sense of what it really, what it means. I just really felt a sense of the legacy of those who built the community, and thus the responsibility we have to leave something for the next, go round.